I laid out the mattress on this green tea foam. I'll put a link to this foam. It's a composite foam. It's got a high density foam at the bottom and then a what they call a green tea memory foam on top. It has nothing to do with tea. I don't think you could drink it. But anyway, it's what they call it, a green tea mattress. So just to give you, I laid it out, I cut out, I marked out with a Sharpie all the way around on this full-size mattress. This is a full-size mattress, but the tool of choice is this kitchen knife, just regular carving knife, double-bladed, and it cuts through this foam like butter. I'll just cut this piece off here at an angle you can see. So it really does a good job, and it cut a nice vertical cut. I was able to get that done very nicely, and so this is now ready to be covered with mattress cover fabric that we're going to use, and I think we've got a really good mattress. This is going to be a good mattress. Alright, so I've cut the mattress out to size, and it's looking pretty good. I think this is going to be quite comfortable as a Overland Jeep in the event that we need to sleep in the Jeep. A couple of minor tweaks. I see a few adjustments I could make just to make it fit better. So I'll make a couple of little tweaks, but all in all, this is coming out really well. So there's the custom mattress, cut to size, and then as I mentioned, when these captain's chairs move forward, then there'll be another drop-in piece for our heads. That'll be another about a foot that's going to add when those chairs are moved forward and fully upright. So it's coming together. The Overland Jeep is looking good. Green tea mattress. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, here's kind of how everything is laying out. I've ordered a nice zebra pattern fabric to cover this mattress, or should I say these mattresses. This main one is cut to size to fit in the Jeep, and I've got a sleeping bag on it right now, but then the front one is cut to fit behind the captain's chair. So that's a separate mattress piece. That'll be covered separately. Then, you know, again, about optimizing storage in this Jeep. This, if you have a Menards near you, this is a Menards 18-inch tool bag. So this will be in the Jeep permanently, and this is the emergency kit. So in it we have hand warmers, beef jerky, crackers. I also have a strobe light, amber strobe light, 12-volt strobe light, peanut butter, some Spam, beans, chili. So this will normally travel in the back of the Jeep, but in the event that we sleep in the Jeep, this will drop down into the space behind the captain's chair. So I would just drop it down into that spot and get it situated like that, and then this final mattress piece goes in there for the night. That's it. It's pretty level. By the time you put the sleeping bag out here and then the pillow on top of it, you've got a nice full-length bed. So that's pretty much the Overland plan is coming together. Got good storage cabinets here on the left and right of the Jeep. The acrylic window is working great. By the way, if you go off-roading, you might want to cover the window. You can see I put a couple of scratches in it when I went to Tuttle Creek. But I call those adventure marks. You have adventure marks on these Jeeps. Every time you have an adventure, you leave another mark on it. So anyway, this project is coming along very well. This, I checked it out, this mattress is very, very comfortable. So it's going to be covered with zebra fabric, and I think we're getting pretty close to done here.